So I just wanted to show you our studio today. Conditions are a little bit different. It's pretty cloudy out there over the bay and very, very windy. So let me just show you here. Our crews are actually in coats today because it's pretty cold. There's Jane, she's trying to secure everything down. We're using the Madonna round the head mic so that we can try and get a better sound from our reporters. And we're keeping an eye on all of these lights up here as they flap around in the wind. But luckily the scaffolders came to tighten everything up yesterday, so things are not as wobbly as they were, and we're carrying on anyway.